So I screwed up that film and I stopped it. I pushed the wrong button and it stopped. So this is an excellent tree service, Bob Peterson, and I will post that information at the end. You can't really see Bob, but he's in the bucket in the middle. Here's the two guys now trying to get this guy to go down, and it's cut mostly through and it's leaning very bad, but it's not down. So they're trying to decide how they're gonna put another wedge in there, I guess. It's even leaning. Look how much it's leaning. Still not down. Taking turns because it takes quite a bit of energy. This old tree is resisting and it's totally dead. It's a shame. It's an ash tree that was affected by the emerald ash borer, and so we lost over 100 trees, but some really significantly older ones. This is an older one, not nearly as old as some, but it is an older one, and it's resisting coming down. Now I'm going to try to cut on it a little more. It's leaning. Here it comes, there it goes, all the way down. That's it. Everybody's uninjured. End of story.